How does YouTube TV work? YouTube TV is a subscription-based live TV streaming service that offers access to live television, on-demand content, and cloud DVR storage. It works over the internet, eliminating the need for traditional cable or satellite services. Here's how it operates: subscription and plans. Sign-up process. Visit tv.youtube.com. Create or sign in with a Google account. Create or sign in with a Google account. Choose a subscription plan and enter payment details. Base plan costs $72.99 per month, includes 100 plus channels. Add-ons: 4K Plus, Sports Plus, premium networks like HBO Max, Showtime, etc. Number 2, supported devices: smart TVs, Android TV, Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Samsung TVs. Streaming devices: Chromecast, Roku, Fire Stick, and gaming consoles like Xbox. Mobile devices: Android and iOS smartphones and tablets. Web browsers: watch directly through Chrome, Firefox, or Safari on computers. Number 3, channel lineup and content. Live TV: access to over 100 live channels including ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and CNN. Local channels: coverage depends on your location. On-demand content: watch previously aired shows and movies from supported networks. Number 4, cloud DVR storage. Unlimited storage. Save as many shows and movies as you want. Recording duration: recordings are kept for up to 9 months. Playback access: watch recorded content from any supported device. Number 5, user experience. User profiles: up to 6 user profiles per account, each with personalized recommendations and viewing history. Simultaneous streams: stream on up to 3 devices at once. Customization: add or remove channels, change preferences, and set up notifications for live events. Number 6, how to watch. Open the app. Use the YouTube TV app on a supported device. Browse content. Navigate through categories like live TV, library, and home. Select and watch. Choose a channel or show to watch live or on demand.